Is your Samsung call screen looking boring? Don't worry today, I'll fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Samsung call background step by step and make your phone look more modern and personal. First, open the phone app on your Samsung device. This is the default app you use for making and receiving calls. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot More icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Call Settings page. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Call Background option. Tap on it to enter the customization screen. Now you will see different background options available. Tap on Background or Featured to explore the built-in styles. Samsung also allows you to choose images or videos from your gallery depending on your device model. Select the background you like and tap Set as Background. You can also preview it before applying to make sure it looks perfect. Once you confirm, your new call screen background will be applied instantly. Now every time you make or receive a call, you'll see your custom design in action. Pretty cool, right? Done! Now your Samsung call screen looks way better. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. See you soon.